This morning, the trial to expel St. Louis City Sheriff Alfred Montgomery from office is in that final stretch. We know that hours from now, closing arguments will begin. And our Mercedes McKay is live this morning outside the Carnahan Courthouse with what we can expect today in court. And this, of course, is after the state and defense rested their cases yesterday. Mercedes.
Michelle, that's exactly right. And they rested their cases in a pretty dramatic fashion. So closing arguments this morning comes less than 24 hours after the state had witnesses on the stand describing retaliation against deputies that talked to feds and even piles of cash spread across courtroom floors. One of the supervisors even describing the sheriff's office as, quote, out of control under Sheriff Alfred Montgomery. So this type of erratic behavior they were really describing yesterday really mimics what we've heard from dozens of witnesses in the last 4 days of testimony. The state continuing to point to a pattern of confusion inside the sheriff's office, retaliation against staff, and repeated breaks from protocol. Now the defense arguing that this is all confusion or just politics. Now remember, Montgomery is being held in federal custody in a separate case, and several times yesterday in court we saw the judge warn lawyers on both sides not to try and argue those federal charges in his state court. The judge also denied a last-minute defense motion to throw out the case yesterday. Now, as a reminder too, this is a bench trial, so the judge will actually have to weigh all 6 charges himself. So really, over the past 4 days of testimony, Michelle, the question in this trial has really shifted. It's not, did Montgomery do all of these things? It's, do all of these things rise to the level of kicking him out of office? And again, that fate is solely in the hands of the judge today. We will, of course, be in the courtroom, and we will update you on air, online, and in our 5+ streaming app. Live in downtown St. Louis, Mercedes McKay, 5 on your side.